guys, hello beauties, hello moms, hello everyone. It's your favorite Abuja mommy vlogger, Deka, Diary of an Abuja Mom. If you're new to my channel, I'm the number one dish. People stop looking at me. So today I'm going to be doing like an update video, keeping you guys updated on what's been going on. So if you like to see that, then keep watching. So guys, hi. I'm back. So I'm just going to be talking to you guys about stuff while doing my makeup. I like to do makeup, guys. Let me know in the comment section if you're like me. Like, I love makeup. I have 2 wristwatches in my life. Both of them are not good. They're not working. It's so embarrassing, guys. Like, I wear wristwatch now as an accessory. It doesn't tell the time. I have to still use my phone. Very annoying. Lately, the kids, everybody in my house is not well. Even me, I'm not well. But my sickness is not that kind of sickness where they don't even born me where to know well. Finally, like, you know, to just slow down, because guys, a lot of things are happening right now, and I'm just trying to build something for myself, with your support, obviously. So I can't even afford to not be well. We even ran tests for the kids, you know. It's just been horrible. The kind of money we spent in a day for just buying drugs, everything has added money. That's why you need to double your hustle. If not, you're going to go to, like, now you go suffer around. And Gina's birthday is coming up, and I posted about it on Instagram. Truthfully, guys, I won't lie, I felt shy. Is it shyness? I felt ashamed. I think that's the word. The truth is that it's not easy, guys. It's not easy in my family because we have only one source of income. My YouTube money is really small, really small, right? So everybody depending on one source of income is not easy if we want to be truthful, right? I just had to come out and, you know, talk to my YouTube family. So you see, your baby girl Gina's birthday is coming up, and if you can support me, you know, it's fine. If you can't, it's also fine. It doesn't mean that you don't love me or you love me less, you know. So it's just me just being free with you guys and open with you guys. So I just want to say thank you to everybody that have supported. We've been able to get her spa date. We've been able to get we have not gotten her dress. I'm going tomorrow to get her dress. So her dress has been taken care of. Her fun word has been taken care of, so it's just remaining the piano, which is even the biggest, the most pricey thing of them all. Her piano, which I don't even know, but what I spoke to her earlier this morning, and I told her that she should not worry. Even if I don't do it now, I'll make sure I do it before the end of the year for her. I will try my best to do it before the end of the year for her. And she was like, okay mom, you know. So those are the things I've been able to do. Hopefully we have a very fun day on her birthday, which is on Sunday. Guys, Ola is one baby that I don't know why I'm just really worried about her. I don't know why. She's really the strongest child I have. Thinking about when I had my kids, like when Ife was a baby, when Gina was a baby, and now that Ola is a baby, I think Ola is the strongest baby I have. The kind of things Ola can take, none of my kids took it. I'm not even lying. But somehow I just have this, you know, this small fear about her, because I feel like, I don't know, I'm working on her immunity now, but I feel like her immunity is not strong. That's just my personal opinion. When I went for her immunization, I was told she's very okay, she's growing well. Ola has been the in terms of weight, like as a baby, she has been the smallest, you know. I've even had to complain to a doctor about it. So the doctor was like, some babies are like that, you know. At a point I was feeling really bad that it's because of I stopped breastfeeding her. I didn't stop, she actually stopped by herself. Even now if I try to give her breast, she looks at it and she's like, you can tell she's saying, really mom, like, what are you doing? So I don't even bother again. She'll just be laughing, or she'll be playing with the nipple and all that. I noticed that she's always having this catarrh and she's having infection, and the new one that is raining now is called they said this name, they call it thrush, because she sucks her hand and she, you know, she crawls around the house. So they were like, because of that, she got an infection which was making her to have a smelly breath. They gave me antibiotics. I noticed that when I woke up today, the smell has started reducing, the smelly breath has started reducing, so it means the antibiotics is working. It's been so long my baby Gina has, like, she was sick. It's been really long, so it's even like film to me. Ife, just normal stooling, which we bought some drugs. We bought drugs for everybody. If you're following my vlogs, or I think this video is going to go on before that vlog, you know, so we bought drugs for everybody and all. But it's just all that it's just really been the bone of contention for me, because guys, I won't lie, at the point I started feeling like, why did I do elective CS? I would have just allowed her to stay in the stomach, because I know that other moms like me that things like this bother. Because most times when you check out all these pages that they're saying baby weight gain this one, weight gain me, all blah 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 blah, I see a lot of moms commenting. Secondly, guys, I started a business. I started two businesses. I started these businesses, one because I wanted to support my husband, I wanted to support my family. I'm not getting younger and I don't plan to keep on depending on hobby, everything hobby, pants hobby, everything. And this is me just being truthful. He has never really complained like, I'm buying eye pencil for you, I'm doing this. But guys, truthfully, whenever I say this to him, he's always like, baby, why are you doing that and all. But whenever he complains about stuff, like maybe he's complaining about money, or he's just talking about a job that is not going through, guys, I feel really sad. I feel really bad. I feel like if I was supporting, it won't be this bad, he won't be complaining. That's how I feel. And whenever I tell him, you know, he'll be like, babe, stop being dramatic, I'm not saying it for you to feel bad, you know, I'm just gisting with you, you know. But apart from even that, guys, I'm the kind of person that wants to make money for myself. I want to do stuff for myself. I want to do stuff for my hobby, because guys, my hobby has done a lot for me, a whole lot. Like, I can't even tell you guys, but everything is hobby. And YouTube, it's not like YouTube is my YouTube. I can't say for any other person. My YouTube, I'm not really making a lot of money. I'm not making I'm making really mega money. People think, maybe people see me and think that I just get a hammer, you know. So I'm not hammering. I'm just, it's something I love. And I won't lie that I don't cry, guys. A lot of times I'm crying to my hobby, crying to myself, wondering what's going on. I've talked about it before. I think I did the vlog. I'm going to be leaving the link here so you guys can go see. I've talked about like the pressure I felt and just being real with you guys. So why I started my business was like to support myself, to support my family, to support my kids. I want, when they ask me for something, I can be able to afford it without, say, like waiting for hobby to, you know, give me, guys. And in as much as I wanted to start this business, I wanted to do something that will actually benefit people like me, you know. I wanted to do something that I use and it works for me, like not just going to go and buy something random and just come and tell you guys buy, you know, something that will be helpful to us moms, us women, and you know. So that's how I said it's my business. I actually have done a business, I've done so many businesses in my life, guys. And fear, I know I'm not the only one. Fear, I don't know why I just have this fear of failure. Like, if I just post today and then, or if I post today and nobody even buys, hey, I'm legit crying, I'm legit saying, I'm not doing again, you know. I was really happy the way you guys put your mouth into my business. The first order I got, before people even saw the soap, I was like, Jesus, I was screaming at home. My kids were like, Mom, what is it, Gina? You know, they were like, because I was screaming, they were like, Mom, what is it? I was like, nothing. And Gina was like, Mom, you know, Gina cannot even leave you to say nothing. So I had to just explain the way I could explain to her. I called hobby, I called my friends. I was like, they met somebody is ordering from me without even seeing what I'm selling, I was really excited. I was really like, guys, people don't know what you did for me. Guys, I'm doing makeup. You know me, I'm very emotional. If you follow me, you know I'm very emotional. I feel like bringing out tears. And I started this waist tummy wrap too. It just came recently. I've been using it for a very long time. So basically, the tummy wrap is for women that maybe that want their figure to be like, you know, or women that just had a baby, or women before you, like pregnant moms, you know, before you have your baby, and women that maybe like me, you're okay, but your tummy is showing you pepper. The tummy wrap is for you. How you know your size is by using the measuring tape and just using the inches to measure your stomach. I'm just talking and talking, don't worry, I'm going to show you guys what it looks like so you guys can see. Let's not be as if I'm just, you know, whining my mouth. My friend is opening her salon on Saturday, which is Saturday 7th of August, and I'll be there live. So I'm inviting all of you to come and support your girl. I thought that my people will come. I hope you guys will come. Her things are really affordable. If you've been wanting to see me for the longest time, this is your opportunity to see me in real life. I'm going to be leaving the what do you call it, the banner or something on the screen so you guys can go see. Come through for me, come through for your girl. Let them know that I have people in Abuja, because that's how brands work with you. When they see that you can actually pull a crowd to want to work with you. So guys, this is my black soap. This is my pure black soap. You can actually see that it is in a big bowl. Okay, so I just want to be playing with you guys and be truthful to you guys so you guys know what you're coming for, what you're buying. Now, black soap doesn't look nice, it doesn't smell nice, it doesn't smell bad to me, but it's not like it has like rosy vanilla kind of smell, right? And it doesn't look nice. It's not something that when you open you'll be like, yeah, except you mix it with things. Those ones that you see that maybe they look nice and they just call them black soap, they mix it with maybe things, maybe natural things, artificial things, honey, whatever, you turmeric, you can mix it with anything that you like. If you want to glow, if you want to lighten, if you want to brighten, you can mix it with whatever you like. But pure black soap as it is like this, it actually helps you brighten. You know, all those of our head, it draws it out. It's not that type that when you use, it's not suck out all your blood, you know, suck out all your, you know, juice. No, this one even adds flavor, you know, flavor, it adds flavor. So this is what my pure black soap looks like, and this is actually really how I like the smell, guys. I won't lie, it's a smell that I like because I grew up using pure black soap, and it smells like the pure black soap I used as a child. We called it, when we were growing up, we called it Inchugo. So this is what it looks like. It looks horrible, I won't even lie, but you can just mix it with anything, you know, to make it look nice if you're worried about it. And you can put essential oils, but if you don't scent like me, what you're looking for is the glow you're looking for. You want to just be fresh, you know, this is the best thing that can happen to you and your children and your family, your hobby. If you have a husband that is like, I don't rub cream, I don't do this, I don't do that, this is your best seller, because one, it moisturizes the skin. If you're going through, your kids are going through eczema, all those, you know, all those baby body things, it works. That's if you get the original one. They have a lot of fakes, especially here in Abuja. They mix things and give you and tell you it's black soap. This is where I put the one that I use for myself. I just liquefy it and use this. It's almost finished because hubby is now using it with us. So this is my tummy wrap. This is the one I've been using, guys. I've used this for almost 3 months or 4 months. Yes, I've used this. So when I tell you guys I use stuff before I show you guys, best believe that I'm not just giving you guys stuff that when you use it you'll be like, no, I'm going to be showing you guys. Okay, it's me. So I'm just going to go through this. So it's actually elastic, right? So you just use this to wrap. So guys, this is my wrap. Can you guys see the difference? Can you see the difference? So yeah, it really accentuates your waist, and it's not painful. It's very comfy. It's not like you're feeling like you're carrying load on your body. You can see, guys. So this is real life. This is what my tummy wrap looks like. You can use this after having a baby, like I think 6 weeks postpartum. You can use this if you're just like, maybe you like how your body is, though, like me, but you just want your stomach to not be, you know, disgracing you. This is the best thing that can ever happen to you. If you just want to also help you with weight loss, this is the best thing that can happen to you. One thing I like about this is that this is a very fitted top. It doesn't stick out on your clothes. It doesn't show. You know, normal waist trainers, when you now zip it up, all those things will not be showing. The boneness will not be showing. No, it doesn't show. This makes you really look sexy. Patronize your girl. It's 7,000 naira from 40 to 44, and 6,500 naira from 34 to 39. Okay, so patronize me. Come through for your girl, come through for me. If you actually enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share if you can. And I love you guys so much for watching. Until my next video, bye.